Today I'll be taking you on an amazing tour of a Queen Creek home for sale. You don't want to miss this one. It could be the perfect home for you. If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team. We make videos all about Arizona. So if you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, all of my contact information can be found down below, and we would be happy, actually honored, to get you moving. Without further ado, let's take the tour of this amazing home for sale in Queen Creek, Arizona. Queen Creek, Arizona has so much to offer, like this amazing home for sale. If you'd like to take a private, no obligation tour of it or any other home for sale in the Valley of the Sun, contact us ASAP. Until next time, please take care. God bless America. Talk to you soon.